What's up, traders? Welcome back to another video. Today I am going to walk you through the 3-push pattern. Now, having a specific setup to trade, that is your biggest weapon in successfully consistently making money from the markets. Now, there are other things that you go learning as you continue trading. Now, Stacy Bucks emphasizes on the 3-push pattern. Whether it's 3 pushes or 3 25 pip boxes or 3 50 pip boxes, 3 100 pip boxes, you just have to understand that the market moves in 3 pushes. Now, I wanna go through a trade setup that Nasdaq gave us yesterday. Now, as usual, we have our high of the week, high of the day up here, and we have our low of the day here. Now, if you don't understand what the high and the low of the day is, as you can see, this blue line here represents the beginning of a new day. And prior to my New York window open at 8 a.m. New York time, the highest point that the market has reached, that is the high of the day, and the lowest point, that is the low of the day. Alright? Now, the first hour sets the high. Now, remember, we are only trading when we are at the high of the day or at the low of the day. Now, when you measure how many pips are from now the high of the session, that is after the first hour has set the high and the low of the session. When you measure from the high of the session to the low of the day, that's 100 pips, as you can see, 100 pips. And we know the market moves in 3 pushes, so we are expecting, in your mind, just know that if we've gone 100 pips and we are just at the low of the day, then expect a stop hunt. Expect a stop hunt for 25 to 50 pips to make it 3 pushes, 3 50 pip boxes down to the low of the day. 3 moves, 3 pushes. Now, if it was, say, 50 pips from the high of the day to the low of the day, in your mind, expect a stop hunt for about 20 to 25 pips. 3 25 pip boxes moves to the low or to the high of the day. Now, the market came down and continued lower for 50 pips below the low of the day. Now, this is where the money is. Where is the money? The money is at the low of the day, the high of the day, high of the session, low of the session. But you have to understand the dynamics first. The first hour sets the high and the low of the session. And then we move 3 pushes down from the first hour to New York open. 3 50 pip boxes to the low of the day. Now, when we are at the low of the day, what are we looking for? We are looking for our M pattern. As you can see, they gave us a head and shoulders pattern. Very nice. The left shoulder, then the head, okay. as you can see, they gave us our left shoulder, our head, and then our right shoulder for the breakout, breaking structure, pullback, engulfment. Textbook setup. Now, this is where our neckline is. Because that is where they broke the structure. Retested, engulfment. We are still below the low of the day. There is our entry for our 25, 30, 50 pip move. No stress. It's simple as that. 3 moves down. 3 moves down. Now, not every single instrument is going to give you this setup, but let's look at gold and see what happened. Well, I took a trade in gold because, well, I was following it on a larger time frame. Been trying to, look at how I am improving my setup. But still, the first hour sets the high and the low of the session. Then from the high, 1, 2, 3 boxes to the low. From the high, 1, 2, 3. Then, let's see how many pips below the low of the day. 25 to 35 pips. Very big stop hand. Now, when you look at the larger time frame of gold, let me show you what I was looking at. Let's use this one. Now, as you can see, we have this low. I was looking at this low and this high. Now, how do you know that the market is about to reverse? When they break structure. Now, when you look at this, they came down, broke structure, continued lower low, lower high, breaking structure. And then they broke structure again. Now, when they broke this higher high, I knew that they are coming down for the retest and then the continuation. So what I was actually looking for was an engulfment. This, if I was trading on larger time frame, the concept that we are just using in the 1 minute time frame, that is what I was looking at here. They came down, broke structure above the previous higher high, then came down for the retest. And then look at this engulfment. After this engulfment, that is how I was looking at this. So I was expecting gold to be, going up this week. And that is what it did. It just went up, up, up. But this is still a concept that I am experimenting to see how I can modify my trading setups to have a bigger picture bias when I'm coming to the market, while also incorporating Stacy Buck's lessons. Anyway, I hope you understood the 3 push patterns. Always look for this, for these patterns. When I'm saying these patterns, look for the, 3-day setups. Look for the 3 push patterns in 50 pips increments, 75 pips. 50 pips, 25 pips, 100 pips. But the market most of the time will move in three levels. Now, I will make more videos on 3 push patterns. But for now, hopefully you had a productive week. Enjoy your weekend. Stay disciplined. Stay focused. And, may the markets go with you next week. Enjoy your weekend. Peace out. And if you have any questions, please email me. This weekend, I am going to, respond to your emails. Yeah.